Hello guys. So this is where we were at last time, where we ended. So what I'm gonna do is create a CSS file for this file. So let's create a CSS file, and let me type first. Let me hit Control N to open a new tab, and I want the whole body to have zero margin and zero padding. This is important. I will explain you why. And we will learn about selectors in the next class. This is a universal selector asterisk. This applies to every selector. Okay, so let me explain this first. This is called a rule from here to here. The selector, this is called selector, and the design that we want to apply to that selector. So this the whole thing is called rule. Now this is called a declaration. This is a declaration. Declaration has two things. It has property and it has value. So property is margin, value is zero. Okay. Now let's save it. Give it a name, style, and the extension has to be CSS. Give any name you want, but the extension has to be .css. It stands for cascading style sheet. Now, this file doesn't know that this file exists. How to link it? Now, there's just one line of code that will link this file to our CSS file, and that is link. This is relation. Link this file. Href stands for hyperreference. We will understand all these things, but for now, just remember this line to connect to this style or CSS. As soon as we connect it, let me give one more rule here. As of now, our website is looking like, let me show you. Yeah. Open with Chrome. This is the website that we had created last time. Now, since CSS is for designing, for colors, for layouts, what we're gonna do is add some colors, add a box. Let's say add a box here. How are we gonna do it? Or let's say change the color of the background. Let's see how we'll do it. This is the selector, and background. See, it is giving me options. Which declaration to select, which property to select. Background color, I'll give it light blue. This semicolon is very important, friends, at the end of uh, any declaration. So let's see if this works or not. If that file is connected, if this file is connected to this, This must work. See, we have a light blue color. So in this tutorial, what we have learned is how to connect how to create a CSS file, how to connect it. This line is very important. This is the only line through which you can connect your HTML5 to CSS file. So in this tutorial, we will keep it here, and next class we will advance with some HTML elements. I know I promised last time that we will see basic HTML tags, but you know, unless and until it starts to look good, I don't think that people are excited about learning. So it is starting to look good now. We have added color to the whole background. Now we will move forward from here. Little bit of HTML and CSS at the same time. Not the we will come. It will not be like we will complete whole HTML, then CSS, then whole of JavaScript. No, it will be back and forth. So I'll end the class here. Thank you, friends.